Hi, it's Kim, and it's Saturday of week 3. So next week you'll be studying for and taking the midterm exam over the week 1 through 3 content. And I wanted to make sure that you were accessing your ebook and utilizing it to study next week, and then perhaps integrating it even more in the second half of the course. If you click Content, of course you're brought to the major part of our course where you can navigate. But you'll see this link here called Course eBooks. If you click Course eBooks, you're brought to this College Algebra in Context ebook. And you'll notice that it's going to open up the ebook for you. And you'll see that we have access to it right through our class. If you click this icon right here, you'll get the table of contents. And you'll be able to go, for instance, it's week 3. And we're covering chapter 3, and you're able to go right to chapter 3. So let's look at 3.1. And if you open this, I clicked key objectives, and it brings us to what we're learning that week. Notice I'm given definitions, I'm given figures, the same thing that you would see in the regular textbook. I can scroll down and notice I see all the figures, tables, graphs. And I want you to note that you're often given these TI calculator commands. And remember, that's a resource that we utilize lots in this course, and I want you to be familiar with it. And so watch for those, the TI calculator instructions. You can also search. Notice this magnifying glass. If I click search, let's search the word TI. It'll probably show up a lot, but it will tell you what section it's in and what page it's on. And so you're able to hopefully find useful information there. If I hit Notebook, I can add highlights and notes to my text. So I can, for instance, double click on something and then I can pick a color. So if I want to select this for you, I might highlight it in orange, and then I can add a note. You can also add these notes for yourself, and I can say, here is the model for the parabola. And throwing an object in the air. You're also able to make flashcards, etc. But you can always go to this highlights and notes, and it will bring up everything that has been highlighted in the book. I can highlight things, and you can highlight things, and you can also write notes. I hope this helps you to navigate through your eText.